Alrighty guys, I'm going to show you how to draw a super cool artist Hello Kitty. So we're going to start by drawing her signature bow. So we're going to draw a circle on the side of her head. And then we're going to draw this candy corn shape. That's what I like to call it, this candy corn shape. Once we've done that on both sides, we're going to do the same thing, but way smaller. Way smaller. Then we can draw her ears. She has one poking from behind her bow, and then she has another one on the other side. And then we're going to draw this curved line for the top of her head. Now, since she's an artist Hello Kitty, we need to draw her beret. We need to draw her painting hat. So we're going to draw this curved line, and then this little square on top. Now she has her hat. Now we're going to draw a curved line that goes around and stops. So now we have her head. Then we just need to draw her face. So we have one oval right here. And then we have another oval. Perfect. Those are going to be her eyes. Then we need to draw her nose. Draw her nose. And then last but not least on her head, we're going to add her whiskers. So we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, great. We can move on to her body now. So we're going to draw a curved line, goes down, and then across. And then we're going to leave a little space right there. We're going to leave a little bit of a space for her paint palette that we're going to draw in a second here. So let's move on to her arm, the straight line with a curve, and then we're going to leave room for her paintbrush. This is the bottom of her paintbrush. We're going to add a line for detail, and then draw the top of her paintbrush. I like to add 2 lines to the top of the paintbrush to make it look more realistic, and then we finish up her arm. And we add a little straight line for her sleeve. We're going to add this curved line, and then we're going to draw this little pocket on her smock. Little pocket on her smock. And then we're going to draw that paint palette we were just talking about. And then we're going to draw 4 circles for 4 different colors of paint. 4 circles for 4 different colors of paint. Beautiful. And we don't want it to be floating, so we're going to add her other arm and her sleeve. And all that's left to do is draw her feet. So here's 1 foot. And then we're going to do it one more time. Here's her other foot. Perfect, we're all done. Then you can go ahead and color Hello Kitty. You can use whatever colors that you want. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for following along, guys. Bye.